Hi friends, welcome to Answers. So today it is the 49th episode in the biology series. So in the last episode of the biology series, we discussed about two organs of the exocrine system. So they were the lacrimal glands / the tear glands in our eyes, as well as the salivary glands. So today we are going to discuss about the sebaceous glands and the sweat glands, which are inside our skin. Yes. So let's start with the sebaceous glands in this video. So they are microscopic glands which are found in hair follicles. So these sebaceous glands produce an oil-like substance called sebum. Yes. So this is like a lubricant to our surface, to our skin and the hair of our body. So that is the main use of this sebum. So yeah. The sebum is an oily substance that protects skin from drying out. So there are two types of sebaceous glands. Both types have different locations on the body. So first are the sebaceous glands attached to the hair follicles. So these types of sebaceous glands are, so first there's hair. Wait a second, I think I need to illustrate it. So I think you can just try to see in the small space here. So okay. So there is a hair follicle here, and then so here's the skin. So there's like a pouch for the hair to be there. So then these types of sebaceous glands, so their gland part is here and they open into the hair part. Yes. So while the other sebaceous glands aren't attached to the hair follicles and directly their ducts open out onto the skin surface. So here these ones are the first type and these are the second type. Yes. So yeah. Okay. Functions. These glands are responsible for producing and secreting sebum. So sebum is an oily substance made up of fat molecules that include molecules like cholesterol, fatty acids, glycerides, as well as the wax we used in candles. I think not that exact type of wax, but still it's wax. So the common conditions that affect the sebaceous glands are acne. Yes, acne affects the sebaceous glands, which is again, it also affects the skin too. Next is hyperplasia. Next is cysts, sebaceous cysts and sebaceous filaments. Yes, many diseases for this guys. And next is sweat glands. So another type of glands. Yes. So but these sweat glands create a bit more well-known type of bodily fluid, that is sweat. Yes. So sweat glands occur over most of the body and open directly onto the skin surface. So yeah. Okay. These are small tubular structures of the skin that produce, we can understand by name, the sweat. Yes. It is very bad. So there are two types of sweat glands, eccrine sweat glands as well as apocrine sweat glands. Yes. So again, eccrine sweat glands mainly shoot it out onto the skin surface, while the apocrine just its ducts open into the hair follicle region. Yes, instead of just into the surface. So first the eccrine glands. So these are distributed almost all over the human body in varying densities with high density in the palms and the soles of our body. So these eccrine glands can be found literally everywhere in our body, from our hair in the top to the soles of our feet to the palms of our hand and everywhere. Yes. So why? So its water-based secretion represents a primary form of cooling in humans. So its sweat is mainly water-based, more liquid-like. Yes. So next are apocrine sweat glands. So these are mostly limited to armpits and the perineal area. So these are the sweat glands that produce the very smelly sweat in our armpits and those regions. Yes. So it is because bacteria come and decompose and they create a smell. The sweat doesn't directly. So sweat glands are used to regulate temperature and remove waste by secretory waste. So sodium, salts and nitrogenous waste onto the skin surface. So the sweat glands produced by apocrine glands sweat that produced by endocrine glands have some other special feature that remove waste of this skin. Yes. So sweat is originally odorless, so it gains odor upon decomposition by bacteria. So this sweat, when it comes out of the body, some bacteria come and do decomposition and those stuff, giving sweat a smell, a bad odor. So this is for today about the exocrine glands, which are the sebaceous and the sweat glands. Bye.